Hello, my report is about the continuation of the Sulu Raiders. My topic is three different Muslim groups that is identified in the colonial sources. Tausug, a tribe without maritime experience but known for its fierce warriors and widespread political power. The Tausug are the coastal people of the Karen, known for its colorful painted vinta boats and their mastery of craft. They are also known for Pangalay, a traditional form that predates Christianity and Islam in the Philippine Sulu archipelago. Next is Iranun. Iranun or Ilanun. The Iranun are the Austronesian ethnic group native to the southern Mindanao, Philippines. They are ethnically and culturally close related to Maranao and Magindanaon. All three groups being denoted as speaking Danao language and given name to the island Mindanao. The Irano were traditionally sailors and were renowned for their shipbuilding skills. Iranon communities can also be found in Malaysia, Indonesia. The one which was very important in piracy history, also a long-standing seafaring community. Up next is the Balangingi or Bangingi tribe, also known as Samal. Occupied the chain of islands between Basilan and Sulu Island, also a long-standing seafaring community. The Balangingi are not officially recognized by law, either in the Philippines or in the neighboring Malaysian state of Sabah. The Balangingi language has both written and oral tradition. Its written language is in Jawi script and is fast becoming a dying tradition. Oral tradition are handed down by the kamatoahan or the elders to the kaanakan or anak bahau or the new generations. The Bangingi build kuta or forts throughout the Sulu archipelago. Like their other Sama cousins, they sailed various ships like the Vinta, Salisipan, or Bangka-Bangka throughout the Sulu-Sulawesi region. At the height of the Sulu Sultanate, the Bangingi along with the Iranon people formed the bulk of the Sultan's navy, leading coastal raids against settlements in northern Philippines, as well as the coast of neighboring Borneo, Sulawesi, and the Maluku Islands. They were also heavily involved in piracy and slave trade during 18th and 19th century. The Bangingi usually sailed Garay warship, in contrast to the Lanong of the Iranon people.